Welcome to my fall morning routine. I like to start my day with a cup of tea. This is my caffeine. Most people do coffee. I am a tea drinker. Now it's time for me to tend to my new herbs. I just pulled all of those and reseeded everything. I turn on my growing lights and water them. Then I make sure I feed my sourdough start. This is something that I've been testing and really enjoying. So I'm making my own sourdough bread now. So each morning and evening I add new whole wheat flour and water to it to allow the yeast to grow. Next, I check my phone and go through emails while enjoying my cup of tea. Next, I unload the dishwasher from the night before. This is how I keep up on the dishes. I just make sure that I am constantly getting the dishes in and out of the dishwasher as soon as I possibly can. Each morning I go for a run, so before then I take my supplements, some vitamin D, B12, and a couple other things, and then I get my lemon water started so I can enjoy it right after my run. Next, I go through my email again and set up my to-do list. This is how I make sure I stay organized and on top of things. I was having problems with my laptop, so I switched to my phone, but I'm just filling out my to-do list right now. I love my diffuser and I add new oils to it each morning, so get the house smelling nice and fresh. Next, I make the bed. I always like to have a freshly made bed. It's nice to walk by the room and see that the bed is made and kind of tidied up and cleaned up. Once the sun comes up, I like to open up the shades and the blinds and bring in all of the natural light as much as we possibly can. I'm doing a quick cleanup of the kitchen before I start breakfast. I make a smoothie for the family each and every morning, so just making sure that the counters are cleaned, and I'm going to sweep the floor. And now I'm just making the morning smoothie for my family. It's just every morning's different, but a little bit of fruit, some vegetables, and greens and berries, all in the smoothie. So that is my morning routine.